Hey everyone, Kalei Taylor, and I'm back again. And I know that there are a lot of people that are registering and downloading the Free Connect app on your phone, which is an open source blockchain technology. And this is also the wallet where you will hold your Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, and you will store it here. So I want to go through a guide with you guys. I want to help you guys understand when I sit down and I help people download the wallet and go through the process. I want you guys to hear how I explain it to them because it is a lot of psychology, helping people to understand learning something different, doing something different and new. Okay, so we're aware of that. When you log into your wallet, you and why people would want to have a wallet, even if they don't have any money yet to put into their wallet. So these are the four ticker symbols. Of course, Bitcoin is very popular. It's the most popular trending. And this app, when you download it, and there are prompts at the bottom of the screen that you can follow on your phone to download it so it appears as an app on the screen. You can do that. I am coming from a computer recording, okay? But the layout is very similar. So when we're going through this, when I go with this with people, because I'm not going to teach everybody about all the other apps that are out there. This is the technology that I'm focusing on because it's been working for a number of years. And not to mention, as we continue to get updates and as you connect the dots when you're listening in more, helping yourself to understand how all of these things are supposed to work, it becomes easier and easier. And you know why. Some people might be getting involved in cryptocurrency for their own reasons, but usually their reasons, they skip a lot of the things that will get them doing interesting things in the future. So I'm just putting it out there so that things can be prevented, like protecting yourself from losing your seed words, right? I have a few videos out on my YouTube channel where you can, before you download the wallet, which it's become easier and easier since I made those videos, you just follow the instructions. And we find that kids can follow the instructions and stop and read them and show more patience than, people who are a little bit older. I'm in my 40s. Sometimes I need to take a step back and realize, hey, slow down just for a moment, realize the big picture here, and then move forward again. So I've been training myself to do that, right? But it's interesting because with technology, kids are used to it already, right? So when you're downloading the app, you open up the app, whether it's on your phone or your computer, and it looks like this. All right. If you have questions, you can always click on the help ticket, and there's a community support. Okay. This is a community support. So when you log in, whether you have money there or not, downloading the app allows you to at some point hold your money, and the balances that it holds are these currently. Now, can we add more in the future? Absolutely. But this is what we've started off with: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Gala, Green, and Winix. So these are technologies that you're going to want to learn about because this wallet, this app holds a multitude of coins, not just one. And the great thing about this is that it holds all of these coins in your custody. And that's something that's very, very big. When you have your own custody of your tokens, you're in control of them. Most people are joining other networking things right now, and there's a lot of fresh meat in the industry again. There's a lot of network marketers getting excited about other people talking about blockchain, Bitcoin, and some cryptocurrencies, maybe trading and all of those things. Well, of course, people are going to get excited. So again, this is going to be the wallet that we recommend you use to hold your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, your Gala, your Green, and your Winix. There's also going to be more. And as they get added, you'll just become more familiarized as they get added. Now, the other thing is that you can scan somebody's QR code on from your phone. So kind of like Google Pay at the store, right? Each wallet has a receiving address. So I'll use this one as an example. This is my green wallet. I have a receiving address. All right, this is where you'd send money. As an example, I could list myself as an educator. And if I were going to take any time to train people, I can bill them for it, right? You could send green here if that was the case, right? Whenever we're sending money to new people, we always want to have them take a screenshot of this. And then you also want to ask them to copy, and you can see there's a green line that comes out, says copy, and you can paste it in a text message, a message, email, whatever the case may be, however you communicate. Because you want to make sure that you're verifying that you're sending your money to the right people, because on the blockchain, that's part of your responsibility to do that. Okay, so that's another nugget. Probably a lot of people aren't going to tell you. So let's go back over here. Oops, sorry. Let's go back over here. So if it is if I go back to balances and I want to do Bitcoin, right? I can click on receive. That would be my Bitcoin wallet address. If I wanted to receive Ethereum, I can click on balances again. I can click on Ethereum. I can call the same thing. Okay. But all of these addresses, if you notice, they were different because each technology, blockchain technology, actually has different numbers and letters associated with. Ethereum would be something like this, right? Green is also an Ethereum ERC20. Okay, so very similar. You're going to see the OX, so on and so forth. Okay, receive, right? So just these are all nuggets. Now, if you're new listening to this video into cryptocurrency, or if you're tenured, I'm pretty sure you guys know, I know I'm kind of knowing what I'm talking about. Okay. Now, the other great thing about this is through this wallet, you are able to share with others. Now, a lot of people miss the point that blockchain transactions are based on wallet transactions. Okay. And you have to have wallets in order to expand the network. So we have a Connect wallet, right? And in order to expand the network, more people will be and are already downloading different apps for holding their Bitcoin. Why not the Connect app? Okay. So you have actually an unlimited amount that you can share, but the way that the app is designed is you can get rewarded, and every step that you go forward and participating in different areas of the app, you will get rewarded additional things like this share link. If I go and share it with somebody, okay, and that would be coded to me, right? Because I'm referring somebody. No, I don't want to do this. So this just came up. Let me go back here. Wasn't expecting that. How do I close that out? Okay, I don't know how to close that out, but it'll come out and it'll look like this behind. I guess this is who we use. But I don't want to click over. So you can click register. Obviously, you can go up and down on the page and read it. I'm going to leave this here because I want you guys to know, like with technology, there are updates. And I want people to know not to freak out. As I know, these things work. So I'm okay with that. But I'm using DuckDuckGo now instead of Google for many reasons. So this might be something that I just never noticed before. So I'll go back and do on that. So somebody could register, and for your first 5, introduce friends and family to Connect and earn free Bitcoin and free WinX, free Green, or Gala when they activate their account. So of course my account is already activated. How do I know that? Because there was slides on the screen when you're first starting out, and it'll say activate Green, activate Gala, activate WinX. Okay, so that's people are holding their Bitcoin here, and then they can activate and get more tokens for spending $10 a piece. You actually get a $5 Bitcoin reward for that. Okay, so your first 5, and then as you go further and further, the whole idea is to continue to expand the blockchain regardless, right? But to know these different advantages, it helps people feel incentivized and want to do more. Okay, so you can set up your settings over here. I have videos for this, how to set up your wallet, how to put in your Google authentication. Now we don't actually really need that. You can have that if you still want to. But what I learned, because I was testing this technology over this couple years now, is that you have your encryption code when you sign up. So when you if someone clicks on this, right, and clicks on signs up, okay, and they go through the process, when they sign up, they have a notebook and they write everything down. Their login for their password is different than their encryption code, and they want to save and write down all of the seed words in chronological order. You lose that, you lose your money, and that's your own fault, okay? I know a lot of people have done this. We're developing technologies to try to find people's coins. But again, that's something we can talk about. I think that will be in the pro membership, which is, again, there's going to be a lot of information because this is a very exciting integration of a lot of concepts and ideas. So and this is just a tutorial. Okay. So this is just what's important, why, right? Okay. So when you download this wallet, what you also get is a free dashboard. Now, you guys are going to have to remember too, Connect is actually a social media. It's a decentralized social media on hundreds of thousands of nodes across the world. So that's something like what just happened. We're not codependent on Google or Apple or any of those. This is a real open source blockchain technology supported by nodes that's decentralized. And why people will want to get on this, it's basically making your whole activity on social media more protected. And then of course there will be more information about that. Now, when you do get this, there's also I'll put the links in the bottom of my description, and you can subscribe to my channel if you want to get updates and more tutorials that I'm giving away free for now. Now, when you create your wallet, you also have a dashboard you can log in that's separate. And then when you log in, there's an academy, there's a share tab, there's a store, there's a blockbot, there's rewards, and this is what the link looks like, okay, where our home page is. So for many people, I strongly support the concept of educating yourself, especially if you're going to use your hard-earned money to put towards something that you want to magnify and grow. I would also recommend that people stay really engaged and paying attention, whether nobody's looking or not, like reading everything, going through the information, becoming familiarized with it. Through here, you have you have some stuff to start with, okay, like a share tab. And these are all free offerings that we get to share with other people. This is actually, if you weren't logged into your Connect wallet, like how I showed you from over here, there's also another area in your Connect app where you can grab this link, you copy the link, it shows message, copy, you can paste it to friends. These are very exciting. I've got 2 videos up on top of YouTube. Again, subscribe to my channel, hit the notifications on all notifications so that you get updated, so that no one can say, well, I didn't know. I'm going to do my best to stay informed and keep the community informed by using my other social media channels to continue to maintain their information. Okay, so you guys can know that there's progress moving forward and a lot of really good things going on. You can read all of this, right? You can read and understand what is it about. And then we also have, if you can become a free member, but then you can also upgrade. So I'm going to take some screenshots and I'm going to send this to the dev team because this is the first time that I've seen this kind of stuff happen for me. And I'm not sure why, but I'm sure it's probably not happening on Google. Now, everyone needs an education in blockchain. I know I have about 10 years under my belt, and I can share those testimonies and those experiences. But for most people, they don't want to go looking all around the internet. They want to have, intelligent technology teaching and information teaching and getting us on the right pathway. So these things are up to you. You can decide if you want to do that. You can decide if you want to get a blockbot read, okay? But all of these things are connected to each other. And I definitely see the future on this technology. And I hope that you're in the community too.